Hi viewers, welcome to TT Hub Jobs channel. This is Chakradhar, Director of TT Hub Management Services Private Limited. Today I am going to give you best options in the pharma industry. There are 200 openings coming up from Apollo Pharmacy. We required pharmacists, assistants and as well as trainees. There are 3 job roles requirement. Eligibility will be from the different backgrounds like D Pharma, B Pharma, M Pharma, or to work as assistants or trainees. We required general degree, any degree, intermediate, SSC. So a job role will be pharmacist or senior pharmacist based on the experience. You'll be working under retail pharmacies at different locations of Hyderabad. Eligibility will be from D pharmacy, B pharmacy. So freshers or experienced are required in this. You need to have good knowledge in the medicines, availability, checking, stock maintenance, communication with the customers. All the things has to be maintained by these pharmacists. Then we have other requirement in pharmacy assistant and as well as trainee. Based on the experience, you will be given option of pharmacy assistant. If you are a very fresher from a graduation background, you will be given option of trainee. Here we required any SSC, intermediate or any general graduation, BA, BCom, BSc, anyone is eligible for this. So you need to work as an assistant to the pharmacist in the pharmacy stores. Coming down to clear understanding of requirements, as a pharmacist we have the requirements of 50 for males and females with an age of 18 to 35 with a background of D pharmacy, B pharmacy or M pharmacy with PCI. You will be having a salary of 11,420 to 20,000 based on the experience. As a pharmacy assistant, only males are required with the age of 18 to 35, D pharmacy, B pharmacy, M pharmacy without PCI. Freshers and as well as experienced candidates are required. In this, salary offered will be 10,420 to 15,000. Here also we have the requirement of 50 plus. And pharmacy assistant role, only males are required from SSC inter degree background with an age of 18 to 35 years. Only experienced candidates are required in this who has already worked as assistants in any pharmacy stores. They'll be getting a salary of 9,800 to 13,000 based on the experience. And we have pharmacy trainee where the males are required from SSC or inter or any graduation with an age of 18 to 28 years. Freshers only are required in this. Then salary will be 9,400 per month. Here also we have requirement of 50 plus. So if you are interested in this, then you need to walk in for interview or else you need to call the HR in between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Apollo Pharmacy HR department besides Apollo Blood Bank, second floor, Apollo Hospitals, Film Nagar, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. I am going to provide you the Google map and address, everything in the description box at this below the video. So you need to go through that. You can find out easy location. And another advantage for the district people who are residents of non-Hyderabad, they'll be getting a free accommodation at Hyderabad from the company side. So if you are interested, please contact Assistant Manager HR Mr. Mahesh on 8374366444. So thank you very much. All the best. Do well. I request everyone to subscribe to my TT Hub Jobs channel and press bell symbol so that you will be getting the notifications on ongoing job openings videos so that you can apply immediately and take an opportunity. Have a good day. Thank you.